sweet, not too much sweet for the chili. Very nice. Oh, they're also so rich and delicious. These are some of the best oysters I've ever had.
One of the reasons that we serve oysters this way is that we're trying to kind of convert people to the oyster community. And we would
a nice thing for those other single vegetables. Seasoned ready goes on top of it, right? That's one thing about the texture. It's meaty, and honestly, my first guess wouldn't even be oyster. You just gave it to me, and I had a blind taste test. Some people really happy for the
is getting oysters cold. So if it really something that typically happens in the summer months, as long as you get the shell stock down to temperature very quickly, then there's nothing to worry about at all. You can eat them raw, you can eat them cooked, doesn't matter. Anybody who knows that they might have some type of immunocompromised condition should definitely avoid raw shellfish. Same as you should avoid other types of raw food. And I mean, there's actually more illnesses and deaths from eating raw vegetables than there are from eating raw shellfish.
Oh, wow. People die here.
Have an 11 finish.
And there's just like no brininess to it. I'm a guy who can enjoy something really creamy, kind of coats your mouth, and that taste stays with you. Right here we have the Rockefeller. These oysters are a staple of the community. Rockefeller is every place. I think it's in the hand
So this is a classic presentation. We did not make this up. And it tastes really well.
That bacon crunchy is the perfect punch to go with our really tender oyster. It's slightly heavy, slightly briny, and so the flavors of the bacon and oyster are really intermingling well. That's excellent. That's really incredible. I'm loving this one. It's not a seafood steak. Never run. I didn't realize that the way you catch it actually affects the texture and the flavor.
It begins in St. Helena Island, a place perhaps best has been shrimping for the better part of his life.
My dad used to make a hit, man. So when it is, when you caught somebody deal with, you have to try to keep it alive. So when you put a stone in, you stretch the strip of your dye and not fast. When the dye, they get mushy.
The brown and white shrimp harvested from the region's shallow, brackish waters are among the world's finest.
Has anything changed over time when it comes to shrimping?
And one time I could kick this net right here and I go for 3 or 4 hours and I had this thing here for. Now I'm not there. If I do it,
What are the regulations surrounding shrimp so that 10 years from now there are still shrimp remaining?
yeah, certain seasons I think a lot of the shrimp sometimes they can people terrible. You know, you don't like that one that a lot of the shrimp.
Today, Mr. Atkins' harvest is set to create a hearty breakfast.
I've had this before, but not like this.
It's an alluring street
I
food.
don't think that I've ever had shark meat in the USA.
And a grand feast that will be ate.
This is something I've been missing out on.
It all kicks off with BJ in his combat kitchen.
GJ, what?
One of the morning, I had some good food.
Oh, that's an adult language?
Before they food and things, I thought,
Meet BJ, a personal chef, caterer, and portrait of Gullah heritage. He actively works to bring his culture and traditions to the forefront through his social media and culinary skills, including the mastery of crafting the perfect shrimp and grits.
I have a distinct flavor, you know, like the nice, the tender, sweet, and succulent. I think the shrimp can go up to the floor, but these are special.
After cleaning the shrimp, BJ throws them into a skillet with some fat and lets them sizzle until the meat is
When
firm.
I was with Mr. Atkins, I learned a couple things about shrimp. He said if you stress it out too much, it's going to be mushy, it's going to be bad. Well, right now they seem very calm.
He adds onion, a pinch of salt, even more fat, and 2 generous scoops of brew.
Now, as you boil it, coming up, I family, grandparents, anybody who was born, the shrimp kind of gives you that iron that you look for. That milk is a new ingredient.
That's wild.
He reunites the shrimp with the gravy and garnishes the dish with scallions. Next to the skillet, the bubbling pot of grits is seasoned with salt and butter.
When you go to the low country, this is the region where some of the grits, he said, so for me, the grits, what you see here, it gotta be.
There, also. There,
I just great thing of job. I got my whole thing right here. I'm gonna go from the back. Try it out. Here we go. The temperature really affects the texture and the flavor to me. So with it being colder, it feels a little bit more dense, slightly more chewy. In general, I prefer a warmed up lobster, but this is still very nice. It's juicy, it's sweet, it's succulent, it's got a strong bite to it. I'm doing something like lobster. It's good, but the question isn't what is it good? The question is, which is better between this and a lobster? And I'm going to tell you soon when I meet up with my good friend Ruba at Billy's.
has no relationship with an Indian dish, biryani.
What does biryani actually mean?
Completely fried.
Are they going to be completely frying something, but just
Something.
not rice though?
No, not fried.
I think that's it. Should we go try it out?
Yes. Okay, can I open it?
Oh, common in Iran?
In dessert area, the camel meat is much more popular.
Camel meat nutrients.
That is one heck of a rack of ribs. I'm blown away by the size of all the meat.
Camel meat is considered
They use the camel bone to make handicrafted.
dried dates and dried coconuts. Set cooked in a pot with animal fat, rice flour, turmeric, and boiling water.
Let's try it out. It's coconut, dates, and
And his standard food in it. Today we're drifting further into central Iran, all the way to Barzaneh. They call it the City of White Angels, an ancient desert town still showing evidence of its 5,000-year-old civilization. Today we're going on a culinary adventure through history.
this wheat mill is like a motor. That's exactly one camel power.
From the traditional
It's the singing. So if he stops singing, what will happen?
It doesn't work. When you cook it, there was something, it's made for the cow, it's from it.
How long ago was this technology used? Oh, that's great.
this evening's just on an open fire.
Well, Mohammed, check it out.
Yes, we're gonna do it.
A setting sun in the background. It seems perfect, right?
We'll start with the university together. Feast for all the senses here. Super bustling today, and seeing all this fresh seafood and smelling it and getting to taste it. That's the best. It took 2 guys to watch it, and the meat just looks so fresh and good. So we spotted another snack for sale, and this one I just couldn't pass up. For only one. So we've just gotten special privilege to come into the freezer room. Everything here is from the city of Yokohama. Let's open this up, see what we've got inside. It's like crumbly, chewy, caramel, so it's a perfect gift for your friends and family back home. Come to the sheet this white pepper.
I'm gonna mail it. You gotta try that. That is so good and so much meat. Crisp texture to it. It's not too soft.
Already smell it, and I've actually had this before. This is pretty popular, airy and kind of a little buttery. So this is the tizzy that has been topped with the so it stays very tender and oh yeah. That's really good. The broth is like really, really meaty and super tender. It's also served with a sauce here, so I'm gonna try that out this time. Our soup has arrived and it smells, and there's some juju